Hello and welcome. My name is Andy Brownfield. I'm the youth pastor here at Coral Hill Baptist Church, and I want to personally thank you and just for you not only coming to this particular video update to see what's going on in the life and heart of our student ministry, but also for you partnering with us and praying with us and sending your kids to us so that we can continue to supplement and add to what you're already doing as the parent, which is discipling your children. Update-wise, there's a lot that's going on as kids get back into school. Our calendar kind of picks up in a little different way. It's not as busy as it was in the summer, but we definitely do pick up when it comes to stuff going on and things to prepare for and stuff. So on Wednesday nights, we have kind of resumed into our regular worship habit where we're worshiping starting at 6:15, and then we're also in God's Word, and so that is kind of a heartbeat of what we're doing. Every week's going to be that. It's going to be the same. The only change is that for the first 3 weeks, basically finishing up this month, our 7th graders are going to be joining our leadership, our student leadership team, and our mentors to be a part of some transition season. We want them to stand the best chance of transitioning and getting involved and partnering with the ministry. And so we learned a long time ago that if we can just take them those first couple of weeks and partner with them and pray with them and get to know them, that only helps strengthen the odds of them really getting involved in the ministry and really continuing to do what God's called them to do here at Coral Hill. And so on Wednesday nights, we're pretty regular, pretty routine right now. We're excited going through the book of Acts. And so if your child is not involved, let me encourage you to encourage them to be a part of that. It really is a unique time where they get to worship with people that are their age, and they get to be in God's Word in a way that's focused towards them. And so Sunday morning, we are still going through the Gospel Project as a church. Everything from kids to adults are all in the same curriculum, so we're all doing the same thing each week, which is really exciting. The only change is starting September 1st, our new 7th graders will be joining us on Sunday mornings in our small group classes, but we are making a couple of changes to our classes. As our church continues to grow and God continues to bless, we're grateful for that, but we also have to kind of change how we're meeting the needs of our people. And so at the very first Sunday in September, we're going to be birthing a brand new small group hour at 11 o'clock. So that's really great for you all, because it doesn't matter what service you go to, you're going to have a place where you can be involved in a small group. You, your children, and for me, in our context, the students. And so at 8 o'clock, there's a catch-all class. That's 7th through 12th grade. At 9:30, that's kind of our big hour where we have a 7th, 8th, and 9th grade class that's taught by Wes Shipley and Donna Smith. And then there's going to be a 10th, 11th, and 12th grade class that's taught by Dagan Knatzer. And that's where things change a little bit. I've taught that class for several years now. And now that we're birthing the 11 o'clock class, I'm taking advantage of the unique opportunity to create something new. And I'm handing that class off to Dagan, and I'm moving to the 11 o'clock hour where we'll have 7th through 12th grade students. And what's really neat is Abby Hawkins, one of our student leaders, is going to be my assistant in that class. So you be praying for us as we birth this, and we pray that God continues to grow and multiply and gives students the heart and the idea that it's not just adults that should be multiplying, but it's me too. I should be discipling people that are around me. Other than that, we do have a couple of events that are coming up. Our 15th annual Fall Prayer Retreat is coming up. That's $75. It's at Houston Woods State Park in College Corner, Ohio. They can register online, chbcsm.com/FPR. And basically, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of their fall break. And so we encourage all students to be a part of that. We've invited a couple of sister churches around the area to partner with us and join us just as we continue to fellowship with other body of believers. And it's really something that your child really just will not want to miss out on. And so we really encourage them to be a part of that particular time together as well. The other thing that we're going to begin announcing on Wednesday is the Crossroads Winter Conference. It's January 12th through the 15th. And that's 5 months away, but it's $250 per student to go. And the bulk of that is the conference fee, which is about $110. And so we're going to go ahead and let students sign up for that now. It's a $50 deposit due by October 11th. So if your child wants to travel to Gatlinburg and go to the Crossroads Winter Conference there, hosted by Clayton King Ministries, then obviously we want them to sign up and be a part of that. And so if you all are cool with that, if that's something that you all want to partner with, then awesome. We're excited to have them be a part of that particular time with us as well. And so other than that, I think that's it. I think that it's going to not only be a very good week in the Lord, but that it's a week where we get to minister to students and you get to just to reach out to people. And so I pray that God would bless you, that He would give you a heart for people, that He'd give you a heart for serving people, and that, as James tells us, it tells us that faith without works is dead, and that we would understand that our works do not save us, but our works do demonstrate our salvation. So you go out there and you serve Jesus, and we're grateful for you and your family being a part of the heartbeat and the life here at Coral Hill. God bless and have a great week.